Alright guys, we're at the East Campus. Back at the East Campus garage, Carnegie Mellon University. We got this thing. Basement. Here at the basement. 4R.
4B going up.
4S is stadium. Whoa. This thing's up. Oh my.
Floor 4R.
Basement. Get a view later. This is a 7th floor hydraulic. There's a cavity now. Pretty basic parking garage elevator. There's a big brother. There's your Innovation Universal PBO1, hands-free EPCO client phone. That's 4. So get a look out here. Oop, that's door open. Something's gotta get fixed on this, obviously. Oh, this motor is powerful. It can vibrate the floor. Jeez, this is a powerful motor. It's vibrating the floor. Here are 4. Classic leveling. Let's get a view. Alright, and here's your view out the window. Gosh, it is bright. Geisling Stadium, Margaret Morrison Hall, way over there in the distance. There's Jared L. Cajon University Center with a dry-powered Schindler MT. More Geisling Stadium. Way over there is Cathedral Learning. You can unfortunately cannot get a view of downtown here. This garage is too far from downtown to see it. See, this garage is really interesting. And there's the stadium. End down a G. End down a G. 1R and G are a very, very small distance. No handrails. This used to be a Westinghouse, slapped down with EPCO in 2005. Here at G.
Floor G.
Put it down here. C used to be a Schindler. That's it.